In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use cache coding in Xero. First, let's ensure you're logged into your Xero account. So head over to the Xero login page and click on Login. You'll need to enter your email and password, the usual stuff, and once more hit that Login button to safely enter your dashboard. Now that you're on your dashboard, let's move straight ahead to working with cache coding. Begin by clicking on the Reconcile Items option. This is a crucial part of reconciling your bank transactions efficiently. When you're in the reconciliation area, locate and click on Cache Coding. This tool is incredibly useful for handling bulk transactions, and it can save you quite a bit of time. Once you are on the cache coding page, you'll want to sort your transactions. You can do this by description or by payee. Sorting by description might make it easier to group similar transactions, while sorting by payee can help you quickly categorize transactions made to or from the same person or organization. Choose whichever sorting method best suits your needs or the way you've organized your financial records. After sorting, proceed by ticking all similar transactions. This can be especially helpful for transactions that occur frequently or in a series, as you can handle them all at once. Once you've selected these, it's time to choose an account code. This is the category or heading under which you'll be filing these transactions. Upon selecting the account code, a nifty feature kicks in. It auto-populates to all the transactions you've ticked. This way you don't have to manually enter it for each transaction, which could be both boring and error-prone. Next, you're almost done. Just click on Save and Reconcile Selected. This button confirms your choices and applies all your account coding selections to the transactions. It's a great way to ensure they're categorized correctly and that your reconciliation matches your records. Lastly, a simple OK click seals the deal, confirming that everything's saved and reconciled according to your inputs. And there you have it, cache coding in Xero, efficiently sorted, coded and reconciled. Remember, utilizing features like this not only helps in maintaining organized financial records, but also streamlines your workflow. With practice, you'll become quicker and more comfortable navigating these processes. Thanks for tuning in today, happy coding, and see you next time in another handy tutorial.